Hello, beautiful ladies and girls. Are you ready to simplify your beauty routine without sacrificing your style? In 2026, the trend is all about effortless elegance. Short hair is the ultimate way to look polished in second. Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today we are counting down 10 and 10 plus low maintenance short hairstyles that will save you time and keep you looking fabulous every single day. So let's get started. Number 1 is the classic tapered pixie. This is the king of low maintenance because the sides are kept short. There's no frizz or tangles to worry about. It's true wash and go style. Just a tiny bit of hair wax or sea salt spray to add some texture and you are out the door. These low maintenance short hairstyles, these are bold, breezy and highlights your facial feature perfectly. Next, we have the one length blunt bob. The secret of this style is the precision cut. Because the hair is all one length, it hangs perfectly under its own weight. This means you can air dry your hair and it will still look neat and professional. It's the timeless look that works wonders for both fine and thick hair texture. For those who love a bit of volume, the texture shade is the game changer. This style is meant to be messy. The layers are cut to follow your natural hair growth. So the more it moves, the better it looks. It's the perfect I woke up like this vibe. No heat tools are required. Just embrace your natural waves and enjoy the extra 20 minutes in your morning. Friends, life is too short for time saving. Cuts is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video, and must share with me your opinion, your ideas, your suggestion, because it's very important for growing channel. So please must share with me. I'll wait. So friends, thank you so much for watching. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.